Hey everyone, my name is Natalie, also known as Knitty Natty. Let's knit some socks with the helical technique. First, grab your 2 yarns and then let's long tail cast on with color A. Continue with color A for the first round, doing the ribbing of your choice. We're going to work all the way until 3 stitches before the end of the round. When 3 stitches remain, drop color A and slip 3 stitches purlwise. For round 2, we're going to join color B and continue with our ribbing. When 3 stitches remain before the next color, drop color B and slip 3 stitches purlwise. If you'd like a more in-depth look at helical knitting, check out the full tutorial linked down below. Now just continue helical knitting until you've reached the desired length for the cuff of your sock. After the cuff is complete, begin stockinette stitch for the leg. Make sure you continue to keep up the helical technique. When you reach the desired length for your leg, join in a contrast color for the heel. It's important to leave 1 yarn at the side or beginning of the round and the other yarn at the top of the foot opposite of the heel. If you leave a yarn in the middle of the heel, it will disrupt the helical pattern and you will have to cut your yarn and have an extra end. If you don't want to join a third color, you can use one of your colors that's resting at the side for a contrast heel. When the heel is complete, cut your contrast color. With most short row heels, you should be back at the beginning of the round and see one of your colors there ready to knit. Knit across the heel with your color left at the side. I did a fish lips kiss heel, so you'll see me knitting together some twin stitches, and I'll link the fish lips kiss heel pattern down below. When you turn to work across the top or instep of the foot, you should see your other yarn waiting there, and you can continue helical knitting for the entire foot. Once you reach the desired foot length, you can go ahead and cut both of your yarns. Now join in a contrast color for the toe, and alternatively, you could use one of your helical colors for the toe. When you reach your second color, you don't need to do anything special, but you can give it a tug to tighten up that stitch. There you have it. That's one of the many ways to knit helical socks. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.